Welcome to the Pines, Jeepin with Judd 2023 trail. There is some new stuff that we're going to be riding on in the Pines this year, including the train station. Pines has always been one of my favorite trails. I just love winding through the trees, the changes in elevation, the hill climbs, the off-camber moments. Overall, it's a great opportunity for you to put your Jeep to the test. If this gets wet, this changes drastically because it tends to want to slip you down into the water. And when you look down there and see that 10-foot gator slipping in the water, doesn't sound like a good idea. But we're coming up to one of the most pucker factor parts of this ride. We call it Steve's Ruts. And it is crazy, angled, with trees on the side and water. Steve's Ruts. Pucker factor. There is a bypass, but you need to do it at least once.
Okay, everyone, we are coming up to a decision. If you go to the right, you will have some pretty hairy, about 23-degree off-camber angles. Don't be scared, you're not going to flip or anything. But if you'd rather bypass, just go to the left, and you will follow up. You'll see another sign where you rejoin in with the group up ahead.
So I'd like you to comment below, and I'd like you to tell people how many years have you been coming to Jeepin with Judd. If you have ridden Steve's Ruts in the past, let us know what you think about that particular obstacle, as well as the train station where the bones were. the Pines. It's a moderate trail for Jeepin with Judd 2023. You probably want to make sure that you're aired down and have 33-inch tires. It's got a lot of opportunities to be off camber and some pucker factors for you there. Steep ruts is definitely great. That root drop-in's pretty steep, so don't let it catch you off guard. But this is one of the trails that you absolutely must take the opportunity to ride while you're at Jeepin with Judd. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And we're with Florida Jeep Rides, and we've just been doing some practice trail riding with the Orlando Jeep Club. We'll see you on the next ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.